What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Hepco and Becker Headlight Guard. Modern motorcycle headlights are pretty freaking sweet now. They're LED and super bright. Gone are the days of having to use your high beams at night just so you can see the road in front of you. This Tenere 700 headlight here is incredibly bright. But with all that technological advancement comes with a cost. This Tenere 700 headlight is almost $600 brand new. That's a pretty chunk of change. So it makes sense to want to protect it. And that's where the Hepco and Becker Headlight Guard comes in. The Hepco and Becker Headlight Guard is made of really high quality German steel, and it's powder coated black. So it gives the bike this really sleek but also mean look to it. Now, because it is made of steel, that means it is incredibly strong. It's going to stand the test of time, and because of the mesh up front, it's going to protect your headlight really well. The smaller debris is still going to get through, but really the goal here is to stop the massive debris that would otherwise completely destroy or crack your headlight. Now, it is incredibly easy to install. There's only 4 bolts, and it comes with all the necessary hardware to install the headlight guard as well. So with all that being said, let's show you how to do it. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.